Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the debating for senior high school 2, round 3. And the motion is this House believes that smoking should be banned in public places. And team A or affirmative team is Nico's team. And then for negative team or opposition team is Najwa team. Give applause. Ladies and gentlemen, to open the debate, now let's call for the first speaker of the affirmative team, Mr. Reno.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, talking about smoking in public places. Let's break it down first. Smoking is an activity of inhaling a certain composition from tobacco, which produce a smoke that could be really dangerous for a lot of people. And then next is public places. Public places is a places that could be used for everyone. It could be a baby, a child, a teenager, mother, elders, etc. Anyone could do anything there. And then you all definitely see the connection between these two, the dangers of smoking and public places, which there is a lot of people that is really dangerous to inhale the smoke of the tobacco itself. The smoke from the tobacco, if we're talking about health, could inhaled by everyone in those public places, which could lead to the carbon dioxide displacing the oxygen, reasoning oxygen deprivation. And this is very dangerous for the baby, children, and all of the people in that public places. And then not only oxygen deprivation, it could thickening the blood vessels walls and trigger heart attacks and strokes. Many chemicals in cigarettes would cause cancers for. In fact, about 1 of every 3 deaths in the world, 3 cancer deaths in the world are caused by smoking. And then next, if we talk about environment, smoking could be really bad too for the environment, because it would cause trashing, like throwing it all over the public places, and then we don't even know when they throw the smoke, is it still on or not. It could be causing wildfire or anything like that. And then I think that's my argument.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let's call the first speaker of the opposition team, Miss Najwa.
Hello everyone, I'm Najwa as the first speaker from the opposition teams, and there's Kartika as the second speaker. Okay, in here, we from opposition team disagree with this motion that smoking should be banned in public places. Okay, here we acknowledge the health and risks associated with smoking. We believe that banning smoking in public places is not the most effective solution. We propose a balanced approach, the respects and then the rights of non-smokers and the freedom to smoke, choice for smoker. And well, yeah, I agree with the first speaker from the affirmative team that this house already defined the smoking at the public places and can cause from our health and etc. But in here, view from opposition team, gonna say that here's some facts and points that we will convey. The first one is about personal freedom. So smokers are the same people as non-smokers, right? Every individual has the right to make their own choices regarding their health, behavior, including smoking. A total ban on smoking in public places violates this fundamental right. And then the second point is enforcement challenges. So enforcing smoking bans in all public places process practical difficulties, like because as we know, for the most people who smoke, it can help them clearly think. And then the third point that I'm gonna say is the economic impact. So banning smoking in public places can have an adverse impact on business such as bars, restaurants, and then casinos, and then coffee shop, and etc., causing a decrease in patronage and potentially causing job losses in those sectors. Also for the cigarette factory sector or entrepreneurs, if many places prohibit smoking, then the factor's income will decrease, and this could result in a reduction in employees. So in here, we don't just disagree with this motion that smoking should be banned in public places. In here, we also have a solution that instead of banning it outright, we recommend implementing special smoking areas in public places. These designated zones would provide a compromise and would provide or allowing smokers to indulge in their habit while minimizing exposure to non-smokers. So in here, we're gonna say that we disagree with smoking should be banned in public places. That's all my case. Thank you.
But ladies and gentlemen, now let's call the second speaker of the positive team, Mr. Nico.
So, well, ladies and gentlemen, I am Nicholas from the affirmative team. Want to rebuttal the opposition team argument. So, Ms. Najwa said that smoking is a freedom. It is not the most effective strategy to ban smoking in public places. Okay, and then I'm agree with that smoking is a freedom to people that smoke. Then Ms. Nacho said that smokers have rights of smoking their cigarettes. Then if smokers have right, then what about the non-smoker people? Are they doesn't have right too? They also have rights, and the rights of smoker is violating the rights of non-smoker. The non-smokers should not inhale the smoke of the people who smoke. Get its impact too. Their health will be smoker will endanger the non-smoker health, and then it's relieving. I'm agree that smoke is relieving, and it will, if we ban smoking in public places, it will impact to the economic side. It affect the restaurant, coffee shop, etc. As you know, public places is not just about the entrepreneur activity. It's not just about coffee shop and restaurant, but it is also a school, hospital, park, city hall, beaches, pavement, etc. And school, and we all know that, we all strongly believe, we agree that school and hospital is absolutely prohibited to smoke in their environment. And banning smoke in public places, you say that it could shut down the factory. No, I'm really strongly believe that it will not close the factory. In fact, that smokers are not just smoking in public places. They also have private places. They also have their own private places to enjoy their smoke. And then smoke area. Okay, that's my case. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let's call the third speaker of the opposition team, Miss Kartika.
Makanya itu ikan
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm as the second speaker of the opposition team that totally agree with that Mr. Nika said that smoking is a freedom for freedom for us, from all people. But Mr. Nika said, how is the right for non-smoking people? It has been explained that the first speaker has been provide a solution to this motion. This is Ms. Najwa. That namely, smoking should be banned in public spaces by creating a smoking room or smoking area so as not to disturb others and not to make others passive smokers. Then, if we talk about policy of the earmarking policies are implemented to control cigarette consumption, control illegal cigarettes, and protect the public from the dangers of cigarettes. The government allocates funds for tobacco accessory products atau GBHGCHT to a number of provinces, regencies, cities in Indonesia. The allocation of funds is aimed at controlling the negative externalities of cigarette use. Indonesia ranks 6th at the world as tobacco producing country. Therefore, cigarettes in Indonesia's economic value are very important when there is a ban on smoking. What about workers working in the cigarette factories? They're going to lose their jobs, aren't they? Losing a job will also obviously be a loss of course. In 2015, the World Health Organization, or we call WHO, recorded the number of active smokers in Indonesia at 72,300 smokers in Indonesia at is estimated to increase by 2025 to 96, 70,000, 66 and 1,800 smokers. The ASEAN Tobacco Control Atlas, or ADIA, in 2014, being the first country to rank as the most smoking prevalence to the country in ASEAN. Yes, we agree with that. Mr. Nika said that smoking being banned in public places will reduce income, but it cannot be denied that the policy that will be quite a lot of people reducing their consumption of cigarettes, which will have an impact on the income of cigarette factories. Thank you. That's all.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let's call for the third speaker of the affirmative team, Mr. Nafi.
Okay, so as Ms. Kartika said, that we can invent a smoking area, provide a smoking area, right?
Yes.
It's, I think smoking area is good, but still, the smoke is still going out to the crowd. So it's not 100% fresh air. It's not 100% safe. And then Ms. Kartika also mentioned that about policy and stuff. I think it's not really correlated to the motion. And Ms. Kartika also mentioned about the losing job of the factory of cigarettes. It's even though the
Interruption, please.
a second. Even though the production is reduced,
Interruption.
I'm sorry. Even though it is banned in public places, the smokers are still have private property to smoke their cigarettes. So it will not causing a lethal effect to the cigarettes factory. And then with the Indonesian income, so as I mentioned before, it will not affecting the factory so much, because people can still smoke cigarettes on their private property. So about the Indonesia's income, about affecting the Indonesia's income, I strongly disagree with that. Okay, that's all my case. Thank you.
Well, it's intense, man. That's all for the debating here between the opposite affirmative team from Nico's team and the negative team from Aswan team. And now for the feedback here, I'm at the educator. Would like to give the feedback and also the appreciation towards the both team here. When talking about the motion here, that this house believes that smoking should be banned in public areas. And then the position of the house here should prove to us that talking about the banning the smoking itself, especially in public areas, they should prove to us why and what is the reason talking about the smoking itself and the dangers about the smoking. Since very first place, the position of the house here, Mr. Ray already said that talking about the argument, for the first time they give the definition talking about smoking in public itself is really clear. And then the argument is relating the connection of the both place here, talking about the smoker itself. Then talking about the smoker from tobacco itself, the condition. So that's why they want to really ban the smoking itself in public places because it's not the health condition, carbon dioxide, dangerous for children, but also cancer, and also give the proof that talking about the death in the world here, they're talking about the 3 deaths in the world itself. And then the second, the parliamentary is talking about the environment. Yeah, it's very good. That's called the public places and the cause of the fire and air pollution. Well, the position of the opposition here already give the rebuttal for the first time here. That is talking about the argument for the position of the house here is not effective because talking about the kind of respect towards the smokers and also kind of the rights of the smokers house. Yeah, that's not true. And they see can give the good rebuttal towards the first speaker of the position of the house since very beginning. And then the argument they say about that worry why they disagree that smoking in public places here should not be banned because they worry about the personal freedom, especially for the smoker itself. Because as we know that talking about the freedom is choice for every single citizen. And then the next year enforcing challenging related business for itself, and then economic impact. Talking about the business, talking about the for example, like restaurant and so on, it will be a decrease for the income, and then job losing, and then talking about the rejection for employer because they will get loss in their company. And the solution, smoking areas is the best solution for them because they should not ban the smoking public places house, and they will give the smoking areas or in public places. Okay, that's right too. And since the first place, the position of the house is already tackled down. And but the later on, the negative of the position of the house, especially with the second speaker, give the rebuttals about the first speaker of the negative of the house here. Since very first place too, the freedom and then the rights here. They only think the negative of the house only think about the smokers. They really forget talking about the non-smoker people. What about the rights for the smoker people itself? And then the person of the house will prove to you talking about this kind of problem. And then talking about economic. Don't worry, because they are proof talking about economic itself, or especially income, not only about the business. Because as we know that we should think about the school, hospital, and every single public places. And then the close factory. Yeah, they say that it's impossible to be closed because smokers still become smokers. They still buy the cigarettes because they have the private places to smoke, right? So, since private place, the person of the house here already give the rebuttal, the good rebuttals towards the negative of the house here. But the person of the house, especially the second speaker, really forget talking about the next parameter or next argument in order to stand up talking about the first argument itself. The second speaker only give the rebuttals towards the first speaker of the negative of the house. Later on, the negative of the house give the rebuttal towards the position of the house, especially the second speaker. The rights for non-smoker itself that have the smoking room. So the position of the house already forget that they already serve the smoking room itself. So why they really worry about it? So the rights and the freedom only give to non-smoker and smoker people. And then the next year, the blur argument is coming from the affirmative team here. They're talking about the policy, blah blah blah, and so on, talking about the production system. Actually, it's very good. They worry talking about the company itself, but they forget they should emphasizing talking about the policy itself is caution the factory that the factory will be closed. Should emphasize like this. So you just explain. So it's really blur. So it makes they really confused, and the educator also confused too. So, and the end of the day, the third speaker of the House give the rebuttal, talking about smoking area. Yeah, but not 100% can save the environment, the non-smoker. Yeah, it is true. They had the good rebuttal for the third speaker itself. And the policy, not correlation. Yeah, it's good too. So the smoker they still have, it's not affecting the factory because they still have the rooms in order they still continue on smoking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so based on the debating here, I'd like to give the best speaker for team affirmative is Nico, for the negative team is Najwa, and for the general, the negative, the best speaker is Miss Najwa, and the winner for this debate is opposite affirmative team. Give applause to Nico's team. Oke, bagus, keren ya. Bagus yang sekarang ya, yang ketiga meningkat banget. Kamu